We come back to all the popular sessions. And next, after lifestyle, diet becomes a very important part of lifestyle. Diet एक बहुत important part है lifestyle का besides exercise. और diet के बारे में बात करने के लिए we have with us Dr. Neeru Mathur. She is the founder and clinical nutrition health life mentor. Dr. Neeru for sparing time to be here. And हम लोग again, like I said, lifestyle has been established as a problem for many diseases and ailments, and diet and nutrition obviously is one of the most important part of that lifestyle. So, the diseases related to diet are diabetes, obesity, fatty liver, hypertension, और डॉक्टर विनीता ने हमें बताई है कि एक प्लेट में क्या होना चाहिए. But considering today's day and age and times, हमें इतने options हैं हमारे पास, डाइट का कैसे ध्यान रखा जाए?
Doctor just explained diet should be balanced. आपकी डाइट में there should be good amount of lean protein, fiber. Everything is possible from your home cooked food. You don't need to follow the trend and go after supplements या कोई fancy meals या जो आजकल ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है कि क्विनोआ खिचड़ी बनानी है, एवोकाडो टोस्ट बनाना है. आपको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आपको नॉर्मल होम कुक्ड फूड खाना है. Fill up your plate like she explained very nicely. It should have the right amount of protein in whatever form you like, whether you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Have protein, have a good amount of fiber in the form of whatever vegetables you like, whatever salad form you like. Have some probiotic for your gut health and have small amounts of carbs also. आपको वो गलती भी नहीं करनी है कि you are going to cut out the carbs. कि आजकल लोग for losing weight they are cutting out on chapati and rice. No, it should be a proper balanced plate. There should be good amount of strength training, walking, yoga, whatever you like. Move your body, focus on your diet, and these lifestyle diseases would be within control.
राइट डॉक्टर. ऐसी 3 या 4 खाने की चीज़ें कैसी हैं जो कि नॉन निगोशिएबल है, जो कि हर घर में, हर प्लेट में, आपके हर मील में होनी ही चाहिए?
Same thing as I mentioned, protein in whichever form you like.
प्रोटीन जिस भी फॉर्म में.
Yes. Fiber, both protein and fiber would keep your glucose under control. Then there should be a probiotic for your gut health. There should be seasonal vegetables. Your plate should be as colorful as possible. At the same time, carbs also play an important role for your energy levels, your daily activity level. So these things should be there in the right amount. Protein, carbs, fiber and healthy fats. Fats are also important. You don't need to cut out the fat. Healthy fats should also be.
तो ये 3 से 4 चीज़ें हर मील में, हर प्लेट में हमारे होनी चाहिए.
Exactly.
बैलेंस.
Exactly.
Doctor, in today's day and age, social media has become a very lot of people are getting their advice from social media. अब तो AI platforms भी आ गए हैं like ChatGPT and Claude and so on and so forth. And there's a lot of advice, doctor, on social media about diet. कि आपको ये खाना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना चाहिए. This is the thing. A lot of people are self-medicating. A lot of people are taking supplements. A lot of people are taking supplements that were not heard of. लोग कहते हैं आजकल सोशल मीडिया में कहते हैं मैग्नीशियम ग्लाइसिनेट ले लो for good sleep और आयरन ले लो, कोलाजन ले लो, ग्लूटाथियोन ले लो, and so many things, ऐसी चीजें जिनके नाम कभी सुने नहीं. तो कौन से कैसे ध्यान रखा जाए डॉक्टर? What advice should we follow? What advice should we not follow?
See, firstly, we should know कि कौन सी information genuine है and what is just following the trend. The first thing I say to my clients is get a routine examination done once a year and then show your reports to a good physician. You don't need to ask me कि क्या supplements लेना है. Show it to a physician. अगर कोई deficiency भी है तो he is going to tell you कि आपको supplements लेना है, and that also for a given period of time. जैसे D और B12 Indians में बहुत कम होता है, but that doesn't mean कि आपको lifelong supplement लेना है. It can be a 1-month course, 2-month course or a 3-month course according to the deficiency. Then this is regarding the supplement part. Then as long as information is concerned, so Insta reels को follow नहीं करना है. आपको ये देखना है कि is the information genuine? Like who is giving the information? Is it a qualified healthcare professional or people are sharing their personal experience? Then it should be something that rings true. Like people are saying intermittent fasting करो weight loss हो जाएगा, detox diet लो overnight liver cleanse हो जाएगा. Like so that is not true. At the end of the day what matters is कि आप कितनी calories खा रहे हैं. Whether you eat that plate of rice at 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock. कि 6 o'clock खा लिया और अब मैं कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी और सुबह 12 बजे खाऊंगी तो वेट लॉस हो जाएगा. दैट विल नॉट मेक अ डिफरेंस. वो कैलोरीज जितनी है राइस में, वो चाहे आप 6 बजे खाओ चाहे 8 बजे खाओ, कैलोरीज तो उतनी रहेगी. तो इट शुड बी अ बैलेंस डाइट विथ प्रॉपर पोर्शन कंट्रोल, प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट. दैट इज व्हाट वी शुड फॉलो इंस्टेड ऑफ सोशल मीडिया की इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करो, डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक्स लो, वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर कोई भी चीज़ है कि दिस इज पीपल आर सेइंग ऐसा करना चाहिए, तो वी शुड सी कि इज इट बैक्ड बाय सम क्लिनिकल एविडेंस। अगर कोई भी चीज़ जेन्युइन है तो कुछ ना कुछ रिसर्च पेपर का आर्टिकल या कुछ क्लिनिकल एविडेंस होगा।
Is intermittent fasting का एक बहुत important trend था, so is it backed by any clinical research?
See, there are some people जिनको intermittent fasting सूट नहीं करेगा। I can say it from people I have worked with.
No, is there any clinical research to back intermittent fasting?
No,
There
there
is
is not. People think intermittent fasting इसलिए आया कि people think कि हमें इतनी कैलोरीज खानी है, बट कुछ लोगों में कुछ इश्यूज होते हैं, जैसे माइग्रेन वाला है, जिसको माइग्रेन है दे आर एडवाइज्ड बाय डॉक्टर्स कि आपको भूखा नहीं रहना है, जिसको डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज हैं, जिनको GERD है, उनका तो वैसे ही एसिड बार बार बन रहा है, तो इनफैक्ट दे आर एडवाइज्ड कि ईट समथिंग एवरी 2 or 3 hours. इनफैक्ट द फेमस जयपुर gastroenterologist only suggested to one of the clients कि अगर आपको GERD है तो भले ही आपकी दिन भर की डाइट दाल चपाती सब्जी ये है, even break that meal also into smaller parts and have something every 2 hours ताकि वो आपका एसिड रिफ्लक्स नहीं हो.
Right.
So intermittent fasting won't work for everyone. It won't work for pregnant women. You can't ask them to stay hungry for so long. तो कुछ है ऐसा जहाँ पे ये वर्क नहीं करेगा. One shoe can't fit everyone. Nutrition is personalized for every person.
Nutrition lifestyle जो है, can these changes, doctor, can they help prevent or even probably reverse a chronic lifestyle related disease? अगर कोई chronic lifestyle related disease हो और हम उनमें improvements करते हैं इन चीज़ों, तो can it prevent that disease from happening?
Yes, if we are aware at the right time, if there is early intervention, then these chronic conditions like diabetes, fatty liver, pre-diabetes, high blood pressure, these can be reversed to an extent with early intervention. You should prioritize like the things which were mentioned earlier. Your plate should be balanced. You should keep your stress under control. You should have a proper sleep cycle of 7 to 8 hours. Movement in any form, whichever form you like. So if we focus on these key points, then to an extent we can reverse these chronic diseases.
We were talking about all these issues और diet में doctors also were saying about muscle mass and this thing, and we in India एक general audience जो है हमारे प्रोटीन की कमी नहीं है. Now protein इतना popular supplement हो गया है doctor. There are so many options of protein. There are so many choices of protein. And they also say कि प्रोटीन जरूरी नहीं है, अगर आप सिर्फ जिम जा रहे हैं आपको प्रोटीन लेने की जरूरत है. We normally need to take protein. So could you just explain to the people at the audience कि किस तरीके से वो प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स को लिया जाए, and क्या हम अपने किचन के सामान से ही अपना एडिक्वेट प्रोटीन ले सकते हैं, और अगर नहीं तो फिर उन सप्लीमेंट्स को किस तरीके से लिया जाए?
See, protein is a very important part of our diet. There are some people who are asked to avoid it, जिनको किडनी इश्यूज हैं या डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि you need to limit it. Apart from that, a normal population needs minimum 1.2 to 1.6 gram of your body weight of protein daily. Now it's up to you how you fulfill that.
कितना है?
1.2 to 1.6 to 1.8 gram per kg of your body weight protein हम सबको चाहिए. Minimum 0.8 तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. Now how you get it, it's up to you. If you have non-vegetarian sources, it's easier for you. You can have red chicken, you can have eggs, you can have fish. Even for vegetarians, there are so many sources. Vegetarians feel कि हम vegetarian हैं, हमारी protein requirement पूरी नहीं होगी, and we have to go for whey protein. अगर you are staying outside in a hostel or somewhere और आपके लिए it's not easy to procure those things, then you can go for the supplements. There's nothing wrong with that. But हमारे kitchen में protein sources हैं. There is paneer, there is tofu, there is soya chunks. Soya chunks are a wonderful source of protein. So इन चीज़ों से आप अपनी डाइट में प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी कर सकते हो. Even if you have 50 gram of soya chunks in a day, आपका more or less protein requirement काफ़ी हद तक पूरा हो जाएगा. As good as 1 scoop of whey protein.
And supplements की अगर बात करें डॉक्टर, तो any little guidance that you can give, because obviously there are so many options available in the market. So any guidance कि अगर supplements कोई लेना चाहता है तो किस तरीके के protein supplements लिए जाए, और you know for men, women at different age brackets कितना protein लिया जाए?
See, men और women में तो कोई difference नहीं है. जो protein powder है, अगर वो ये दिखा रहा है ऐड में कि ये men protein है, ये women protein है, it's nothing like that. It is just कि आपको इतना protein लेना है. Now, as far as I am concerned, I only suggest whey protein if अगर आपका डाइट से protein requirement पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. So we can start with 1 scoop of whey, but then you need to test कि does it suit your gut or not. Some people are allergic to that. किसी को pain हो जाता है, किसी को nauseous लगता है, किसी को allergy भी होती है उससे. So you can start gradually with a good brand of whey protein which is low, which is easy on the gut. If it suits you, then 1 scoop is easy, like for that time जब हम 4 PM पे वो हंगर क्रैशेस होते हैं, so that time if you have 1 scoop of whey protein with a small amount of healthy snacks like roasted chana or makhana, so that is a good satiating option.
Right, doctor. And when it comes to food, what are the common mistakes, doctor, that people are making probably in our daily cooking, in our daily eating, in our habits? कुछ common mistakes जो people realize नहीं करते but वो लोग कर रहे हैं, which is ultimately then causing problems. ऐसी क्या कोई common mistakes हैं?
If we are talking about the diet में the enemy is ultra processed food. We are ordering from outside, जिसमें we don't know which quality of oil is being used. There is too much of salt in that. So these are the things which are harming our body. Then along with the diet, again as I mentioned earlier, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, lack of physical activity. It's not like कि people don't have the motivation, but कभी कोई occasion आ गया, कभी घर में शादी है, कभी कोई festival आ गया, आपका वहाँ डाइट खराब हो रहा है. Then people have long sedentary jobs, sitting बहुत ज़्यादा है, commute hours long है, screen time बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो all these things are happening our health.
Okay. And but I asked, like in diet and cooking, so you're saying कि refined oils and things like these को avoid कीजिए. These are the mistakes that people are normally making, common mistakes, right?
Yeah, you can know, you should know कि how much of oil you are using. सब्जी टेस्टी बनाने के लिए you don't even measure the oil और इतना सारा हम oil डाल रहे हैं खाने में. तो you should, basically you should track your calories. 1 spoon of oil में खाना बन रहा है या 2 spoon oils में बन रहा है. It is good quality oil. If you have made, for example, some fried food, even if it is homemade food, if you are reusing that oil, that is also causing lots of health impacts. So what we can do is use a small vessel. Even if you are making some fried food, use a small vessel and try to finish off that oil as soon as possible. ये नहीं कि हमने बड़ा सारा vessel ले लिया, ढेर सारा oil ले लिया, पूरा गर्म हो गया, and then again and again we are using it. तो ये common mistakes हैं जो घर में भी हो जाती हैं, which are impacting our health.
Okay. One advice, doctor, especially for senior citizens, so people at the age of 60 plus and 65 plus जो होते हैं, उनको भी obviously they need to take in all the nutrients like protein or whatever, all the nutrients. उनके लिए क्या diet की advice specially होती है?
Same diet for everyone. Like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये food item आप नहीं खा सकते after 50 plus या ये food item avoid करना. It should again be a balanced plate. Even if it's a simple home cooked meal like दाल, सब्जी, चपाती, so दाल भी proper quantity में होनी चाहिए, then सब्जी भी proper quantity में होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि दाल ले ली, सब्जी जैसे हम करते हैं Indian households में, इतनी सी सब्जी ले ली, 2 या 3 चपाती ले ली, टेस्ट के लिए थोड़ा सा राइस ले लिया. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be a balanced plate. कि राइट अमाउंट ऑफ दाल भी है, हरी सब्जी भी प्रॉपर है, सैलड भी प्रॉपर है, एंड चपाती और राइस, एनी वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स इन द गिवन क्वांटिटी. बहुत ज़्यादा कार्ब्स भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Dr. Neeru Mathur, one last question. Any advice that you would like to give, a final advice कि ये 2-3 चीजें आपको करनी है for a good diet and a good lifestyle?
Okay, so again the same 3 things I'll repeat. It should be a balanced plate, जिसमें lean protein properly होना चाहिए, healthy fats भी होने चाहिए, fiber भी proper होना चाहिए. Secondly, movement is mandatory in whichever way you like, whether it's gym, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, whatever, 45 minutes of activity in whichever form you like. And the most important and overlooked thing is sleep. 7 to 8 hours का sleep cycle is mandatory for your body to heal itself, to regenerate overnight. Sleep should be proper.
Right, Dr. Neeru Mathur, thank you so much. बहुत elaborate information दिया आपने. Big round of applause for Dr. Neeru.
Because your health deserves more than trends. It deserves medical leadership. Eat well.